smallchange.com, they're kind of another organization that does like equity crowdfunding. They kind of are trying to get to the model, I think, of how to develop like an automated system for purchasing real estate property as an investment, either by the group itself, or by the community group itself, or by outsiders. So a way to maybe help them automate that on a larger scale, because I think the biggest critique of that is that it's just one piece of property, one investment, whereas right now we're looking for scale, multiple properties, and if possible, across landscapes, not just in one opportunity zone or one market. So I think ways to really scale those kind of opportunities would be something that would be beneficial, I think, in the finance space. So it's kind of like finance legal as well, because you're dealing with like subscription documents as well, and then compliance on the back end for investments and fiduciary and accredited investors, all that stuff. So if you found a way, and if we're going to think larger scale as well, like, so I told you my whole model of my company is all-inclusive wealth management, so financial advising, legal services, and accounting. And the larger, what I'm really trying to accomplish is a way to automate all of that. So if there's a way that you can think, the Pacer model is a piece of that.
Right.
But if you can think of where that would go in terms of AI or location setting or how that would come about, because I see models that are more manual right now, where like, essentially what I'm doing with the banks in Pittsburgh, if you could do that all over the country, where you're automating, scheduling where an attorney needs to show up at this approximate time to represent this bank, et cetera. Because right now the banks are going to attorneys, to law firms and saying, hey, I want you to do this here. I have this many cases. Can you go here? If you found a way to automate that, you would solve a lot of problems, I think, that people are having. Because right now, a lot of these cases are just the defendants are being unrepresented, the plaintiffs are being unrepresented, but there's obviously some type of dispute there that needs to be resolved in one way or the other. And usually it's coming out as like a predatory way, where because the defendant doesn't show up, the bank is just essentially trying to take a judgment against them, and then now they have a judgment against them that they're trying to collect. So if you come up with a way to automate that,